If you're looking to tackle projects around the house, having the right tools matters. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best home air compressor delivers power, convenience, and versatility for everything from inflating tires to powering tools, making it a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Dewalt 20V Max. The Dewalt 20V Max air compressor is a compact, highly versatile inflator designed for both home use and on-the-go situations. It stands out with its high-pressure inflation mode paired with an automatic shutoff feature, ensuring you never overinflate your tires, sports balls, or inflatable gear. Just set your desired PSI, and the inflator takes care of the rest. What's particularly handy about this Dewalt model is its 3 power source options. It runs on a 20V max battery for cordless convenience, a 12V DC car adapter for roadside emergencies, and a 110V AC plug for household outlets. This kind of flexibility makes it perfect for a range of situations, whether you're inflating a car tire on a back road or topping off an air mattress at home. Dewalt didn't skimp on thoughtful details either. A built-in LED light ensures you have visibility in dimly lit garages or at night, while convenient onboard accessory storage keeps your inflation tips and cords neatly organized and ready to use. Heavy-duty rubber feet stabilize the inflator during operation, preventing it from shifting or walking across the floor. Its threaded chuck ensures a tight, secure fit on any inflation valve, minimizing air loss. Beyond tires and sports gear, the Dewalt 20V Max also features high-volume inflation and deflation modes, making it equally useful for larger items like pool floats and inflatable furniture. Durable, reliable, and well-built, this inflator has quickly become a favorite for homeowners, DIYers, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. It's a practical, go-anywhere tool that balances power and portability with the trusted performance of the Dewalt brand. Number 2. PorterCable Air. The PorterCable Air compressor is a solid choice for homeowners and hobbyists seeking a reliable, no-fuss air compressor built for a variety of tasks around the house. One of its biggest selling points is that it's made in the USA using global materials, offering a reassuring level of quality and dependability. This model features a 6-gallon pancake-style tank that enhances stability and makes it easy to move around. The tank supports a maximum pressure of 150 psi, which allows for longer tool run times before needing to refill. Its 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi ensures quick recovery times between uses, so you can stay productive on projects like stapling, brad nailing, tire inflation, and small automotive repairs. Another benefit of this air compressor is its oil-free pump, which means no regular maintenance and a longer operational life. The low-amp 120V motor starts easily, even in cold weather or when connected to an extension cord, making it a reliable choice for year-round use. PorterCable ships this unit in tough, e-commerce-friendly packaging designed to protect it during transit, a thoughtful detail if you're ordering online. Rubber feet keep the unit steady on uneven surfaces and reduce vibration. The built-in water drain valve makes tank maintenance simple, and its compact, lightweight design means you can easily store it in a garage, workshop, or utility closet. Number 3. Craftsman V20 Tire. The Craftsman V20 Tire inflator is a compact, portable inflator designed for convenience and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for both home and vehicle applications. It features high-pressure output suitable for quickly inflating everything from vehicle tires and bicycle tires to air mattresses and sports equipment. One of its standout features is the ability to draw power from 3 different sources: a V20 20-volt max battery for cordless use, a 12V DC car adapter for roadside emergencies, and a 110V AC plug for household use. This flexibility ensures you can take it anywhere and handle inflating tasks without searching for a power source. The Craftsman V20 also includes an automatic shutoff feature that stops the inflator once your preset PSI is reached, eliminating the risk of overinflation and making it ideal for those who value precision. Its easy-to-read digital display allows you to monitor air pressure in real time and accurately set target PSI levels.
Though it's compact and lightweight, this inflator delivers impressive power for its size, handling most inflation jobs in minutes. The unit also includes onboard storage for accessories and inflation tips, keeping everything organized and readily available. While it's not built for heavy-duty tools or industrial use, it shines in its intended role: quick, reliable inflation for common household and automotive needs.
Number 4. Metabo HPT Air. The Metabo HPT Air compressor is a heavy-duty, professional-grade portable air compressor designed to deliver outstanding power and capacity for demanding tasks. At 200 psi, it provides 25% more pressure than standard pancake air compressors, making it ideal for powering multiple pneumatic tools simultaneously. This 6-gallon compressor delivers 4 CFM at 90 psi, offering 30% more airflow than comparable units, an essential feature for anyone needing to run framing, roofing, siding, or finish nailers on a job site without downtime. What makes this compressor particularly impressive is its ability to operate up to 2 framing nailers, 2 roofing nailers, 2 siding nailers, 3 finish nailers, or 5 brad nailers at once. The consistent, powerful output ensures nails are driven flush with no delays, significantly boosting productivity and job efficiency. Despite its power, the Metabo HPT remains portable, weighing just 41 pounds, 22% lighter than traditional twin-stack models. Its pancake-style tank provides stability, and the rubberized feet help reduce vibration and movement during operation. The durable, oil-free pump eliminates the need for maintenance while ensuring long-lasting performance. Additionally, it starts reliably in cold weather and works well with extension cords. Number 5. California Air 8010A ultra-quiet and oil-free air compressor is a game-changer for homeowners, DIYers, and professionals who need reliable compressed air without the deafening noise. Operating at just 60 decibels, it's one of the quietest air compressors available, making it perfect for indoor use and noise-sensitive environments like workshops and home garages. This 8-gallon air compressor features a powerful 1.0 HP that operates at a low 1680 RPM, reducing both noise and wear while maintaining strong performance. Its oil-free dual-piston pump system delivers excellent durability, with an expected lifespan of over 3,000 hours before wear, far surpassing many other compressors in its class. The California Air 8010 produces 3.10 CFM at 40 psi and 2.20 CFM at 90 psi, providing consistent airflow for tools like nail guns, spray painters, and inflators. Its oil-free design means you won't have to worry about messy maintenance, and it performs reliably across various temperatures and terrains.